Hi, Room 13 parents. Here's a short video of how you can access Math Prodigy today if the link is not working or the one that I sent to you somehow it's glitching or brings you to a different page. So what you can do, starting from Google, so you can type in Math Prodigy, and it will be this one where it says www.prodigygame.com. So there's two ways. You can either click into this home page, or you can just play you can click on Prodigy Game, and that should bring you to this page where you can log in. I have emailed you your child's username and password, so they'll click these two. They'll put in their username and password and then click in login. If you clicked on the home, it'll take you just to the Prodigy Game main page for parents and teachers and administrators. What you can do, you can just click on this orange button that says play the game, and it also brings you back to this login page. So hopefully that will work for you. I know the Prodigy little icon is also on my landing page in the front in the Bitmoji classroom, so you can click on that as well. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or message me on Kinsella.